Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Javon, and today we'll be making another episode. Today we'll be reacting to Swords with Sauce E1. So we're reacting to Javon Gamer TV's Sword with Sauce E1. Because I mean videos, upload videos that I would make this for, but I moved my face cam to like a different angle because I don't want to go right there. So yeah. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Ooh. See, this is my first popular video. This is my first video that I made. So I just put a webcam in here because everyone he's doing a webcam videos, but I literally don't know because I have a webcam here. Because I don't have a webcam because my webcam is pretty laggy, then glitchy because my microphone is turned off, basically. So yeah, it's turned off, but yeah. So here's my webcam video of that. Here we go. I put on difficulty on easy because medium is so hard. Okay. This. What? Yeah. So this is where I just kill enemies right there. They're right there. And then the enemy sees me right there. And then I got messed it up. Great. Yeah, I say son of a two. It's just son of a two times. So I just messed up a whole video. Yeah, I had a spinning death that I kill him, and then this way I changed the resolution to like 1280 70 720. But yeah. And this is my first recording video that I was killing enemies right there. And 20 enemies, so let's see. Right, 40 enemies. I see it. So now this is where I just kill a load of enemies right there. This is not easily. Oh my god. Okay, 8 enemies. But this is where I messed it up. I lost my sword, and I pick up a rifle and I shoot it. This is kind of pain. This is pain. And I moved my face cam right there beside me. But I'm gonna move my face cam to here. There we go. Now I just bring the sword, and then I throw a sword at the sniper guy right here. And then there's 4 enemies left, and I can punch enemies right there. And then grab the sword, and then start killing 3 enemies. Punch them like 3 times. Then I throw the sword, and I punch them. You win. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. This is where I made oblivious. There you go. And that's it for reacting this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button below. Peace.